Welcome to Mastering Cyber, sponsored by Mastercard. I'm your host, Dr. J, former White House technology executive and global CISO. Mastering Cyber is a weekly 1-minute podcast to help you maneuver the cybersecurity industry tips, terms, and topics. So buckle up. Your 60 seconds of cyber starts now. Conference time, my favorite time of the year. Whether you're traveling to South by Southwest or are a cybersecurity professional traveling to RSA or some other cybersecurity conference, you probably will consider taking advantage of all the free Wi-Fi that's available. So first things first, don't connect to any old Wi-Fi. Make sure that the one that you've connected to is the one you think you should be connected to. For example, if you're at a coffee shop that's offering free Wi-Fi, make sure you're connected to the right one. A hacker sometimes will set up a connection that sounds very close to the one that you're trying to connect to just to fool you into connecting to their access point. So make sure you don't do that. Next, if you're going to connect to free Wi-Fi, don't do sensitive things. Don't do your banking. Don't pay bills. Read your email, stream something, on TV, but don't use that for sensitive information. Last, if you have access to a VPN, use it. Use it all the time. VPN is the best way of sending information, and sending it through a secure tunnel. So if you decide to do these things, you will be one step closer to mastering cyber. That's it for today. This is Dr. J signing off, reminding you to stay secure. We'll be back next week to share more cybersecurity tips, terms, and topics. This podcast is sponsored by Mastercard.